Are you looking for a reliable dumpster rental in Nolensville, Tennessee? Do-It-Yourself Dumpsters DYD LLC has got you covered. Whether you're tackling a home renovation, a significant cleanout, or a construction project, we have the perfect dumpsters for you. Serving Nolensville and the surrounding areas, we ensure timely delivery and pickup so you can focus on what matters most, getting the job done. We understand that each project is unique. That's why we offer flexible rental periods to suit your schedule, ensuring you have the time to complete your project without rushing. Our reliable team is always ready to assist you, ensuring a smooth rental experience from start to finish. With competitive pricing and a commitment to excellence, we are your trusted partner for all your dumpster rental needs. At Do-It-Yourself Dumpsters DYD LLC, we pride ourselves on providing top-notch customer service and hassle-free dumpster rentals. Our easy online booking system lets you reserve your dumpster in just a few clicks. Ready to get started? Visit us at www.diydumpsterstn.com Dumpster Rental Nolensville TN or call 615-290-2029. Do-It-Yourself Dumpsters DYD LLC, your trusted partner in waste management.